Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to combine the data in your Excel. Here we can see that you are waste your time like this, Control C, and here we can paste Control V, then we can again here Control C, and then we can paste like this. So it take time and more difficult to copy and cut. So I have write a small command or a formula like equal TOCOL bracket, and then select the data like this and bracket close and enter. Here we can see that they are generated automatically, the first class 1, then class 2, then class 3, and then class 4. Here we can see that they are automatically generated. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.